Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. This is my first technical video ever I did. So, so please forgive my mistakes if I do anything. So I'm gonna talk about multiple record type support in ODI 12C. So first of all, we have to know what is multiple record type. So multiple record type is nothing but uh, you have a one parent line. Uh, Below that parent line, you have multiple child line items. So this is something you know. In data warehousing terminology or in ODI terminology, we call it as multi record type. So, so I have cooked up the data in my text as a text file. So this is how the multi record type data looks like. You have record code, so then order ID, customer ID, then order date. This is a transaction which has been done in some retail app. So this is a cooked up data, and my file name is order.txt. We have two orders here, and we have line items. So ORD is a order and LIN is a line items corresponding to this order. So uh, so order order record has this format. For example, record code has ORD just to differentiate between order record type, then line item record type. We If it is ORD, then it is an order record type. LIN is a line item record type. So this ORD uh, record type data has this header definitions. So for example, recode is ORD here, and order ID is 1, then customer ID is 1, then order date is 01/01/2001. So correspondingly we have uh, line item record type data here, and this is the attribute definitions. So rec code for line item is LIN, order ID is corresponding to parent order ID, it's 1, line ID is uh, is for line item record, it's 1 here, then 2, then 3, then it again resets. uh, for order 2, it's the line item, it again resets the sequence and generate the IDs 1 2 3 again. So hope how you understood this. And product ID is some product IDs, then quantity is amount of the quantity of that particular product has been bought. So this is a kind of data which we need to handle in ODI. So this is called as multiple record type data. So let's see how it is supported in ODI. So first of all, we need to create file data server connections. So I think you already knew how to connect to file database. So here I am using uh, already you have uh, connected to file uh, file connection. So this is rough name called as AR, then my host is localhost, then this is my laptop name and laptop password. So this is JDBC, I'm using db file synopsis JDBC driver. So this are all nothing. So I will have to just save it. Then okay, I've already defined this, so I'm not saving it. So then I have to create a data new data folder, then a data model. I hope you know the basics of ODI. So then I will be right clicking here and creating a new data store like this. So I name it as orders. So here uh, there is two kind of record type, right? So I will be creating two data stores. One is for orders, one is for orders line item. So here it's order, I'm creating orders table. Then again I have to create another one for line items. So I define it as order underscore line. So uh, then again I will be I had already copied this data into some local data store, sorry, into some table. So sorry, I have copied it to some path in my computer. Then again since this data is delimited type, I am using delimited. Then this is MS DOS, I am using Windows machine. Then I use others as comma. It's a field separator here, it's a field separator here. Then I will go to attributes. I will try to sorry, I have to give heading number of lines. It's only one line, right? That's only one line. I will take this off. Control S. This is one line, and I will go to attributes. Then I will reverse engineer it. Yes. Okay. Oh no. Sorry. So I have to give resource name here first. I have to choose that order.txt file. Then I have to it's as usual. Go to attributes, then reverse engineer. Say yes, I will save. Then okay. Then here it is. So here it's taking the first header recode, or in this is for order type attribute definition. So for line item type definition we have this. So order id, line id, have to define it here. Order id, line id, product id. Sorry. So product id, quantity, I will have to create this. Okay. Then I have to give, this is recode attribute column. So since it's a line item order underscore line, I would be giving it as line, because the it is differentiated by this line flag. So then save it. Then even same in the way order to point that orders dot txt into resource name, then files delimited, others, comma, attributes. Yes. Okay. Okay, sorry, here I missed. If you can guess it, is the heading tab specification here. I will reverse engineer it. Okay, so orders record is ORD, ORD. I will name it as orders 1. um, I will save all this. Okay, save all this. Then I have to see the data. Now we'll get only orders data here. See, I'm getting only orders data here. Then order dot lines, I'm getting only, sorry, this is order dot line. Yes, there's some. It's not. Okay, we'll have to start it. Sorry. Okay. So if I go and see, open it up. It hasn't stored whatever we gave it. So I see is okay, same case. So I will I guess I have to do it again. So record order ID, line ID. Line ID, product ID, and quantity. Add plus symbol, quantity, then code is LIN. Save it. Now we can see the data here. See, I'm getting only line items in this data store, whereas in orders I'm getting only order underscore 1. I'm getting only orders. So here it what it does is it just filters out the data and it takes only the first record type data for particular data store. So this is all about the this tutorial. So I hope you liked it, and I'm very sorry that I had to have some confusion, that that I got stuck with some, as you know. So anyways, moving forward, I will try to improve the quality again, and hope it helped. And thank you. Please subscribe.